Asani Beauty coming to you with another hair video. I wanted to show you a quick and easy little style that I do that doesn't really take me a lot of times, that I just really cute and that you can do it really quickly. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna take my braids in the front, and excuse me, I'm using the computer as a monitor. So I'm gonna take the braids in the front and kind of gather them here. I see I'm missing one right here. Let me get that one. Alright, so I'm going to take the braids in the front and I'm going to start a plait. Plait it all the way out. I do have a rubber band tie thing here. Alright, now that I have the braid, I'm just trying to press in as many of these as I can. And then I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to tuck it. So I'm going to tuck the hair in itself, and I'm going to tuck that in, kind of try to hide it a little, tuck in any loose ends as best you can. And that's the look.